experienced, what I've experienced as an addict could still play a very important role. And guess what? Here's the other side of the story. Something I'm going to be talking about tomorrow. People with experience, often their experiences are played. They're trained to misinterpret their experiences. If I was on the other side of this issue right now, I could round up 100 recovering addicts who would come in here and defend the war on drugs, rip harm reduction, and everything. So yeah, experience is important, but let's understand the limits of experiential knowledge. We also need hard scientific knowledge. The book I wrote wasn't just about, I didn't write that book just because I smoked crack and drank a lot. I did 20 years of hard work. I'm a researcher. And that made a difference. Yeah.
Okay, my name's Yvonne, and I've been down here since 1972 from Queen Charles Island, recovering alcoholic drug addict, and I came out here mainly because I wanted to see the doctor and then hear what you had to say. But I would love to write a book, and I just want to quickly read my poem that's about my recovery. It'll be 1 minute. It's called A Letter to Myself, because I want to be a writer one day. I used to roam the alleys with only one thing on my mind, to stay in oblivion as the world was far from kind. I rarely passed a mirror to really see myself, as reflection was too ugly and self-loathing topped the shelf. If I had a place to live, it was empty and so bleak, and where my heart really was seemed too vast to seek. I cried for my children and the bitch that I became. Lord, help me please. I suffer so much shame. Shame kept me in the midst of a road that led to hell. Today, it's also different, and I have a miracle inside this shell. The shell that I once wore with an armor extra thick, that's slowly unraveling, although we want it quick. The quick fix doesn't work, and patience is a must. Let go and let God. Surrender, then try to trust. Trust in yourself as you're a new creation today, and be diligent with your gratitude, and don't forget to pray. All my relations.